Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Glenn Tan speaking. This time, I'm continuing to talk about GNV, Remote Control and Billing System. This presentation divides into these 6 parts. I have put the corresponding video linkages at the below description area just for your convenience. Function introduction. I'm going to introduce how to use this software. Actually, we are always update this software, and here is just for your reference. This is the interface of the billing system. You can enter from the Start Up button, the shortcut, or from the browser and just input the address with this one. And we offer 2 types of the account for the management. The first one is the administrator. It is a fully setting. With this one, you can customize all the function for the lower, which is this one, which means this account it has the fully authority to do the management of the accounts. And here is the notes that please ensure to uninstall the billing software if you have installed twice or more, because without this one you may cannot enter into this. After that is just to search or to do the communication to all the indoor units and outdoor units, and also the same together to the power meter. And here's just follow this to do that is okay. After search, the gateway will display the detected indoor units and outdoor units. And here in this case, for example, it detected 2 gateway, and in the number 5 gateway, it will display the first is the outdoor unit. And here you can just make it confirm or to input the model manually. As for the OEM model, you can also input your model here. And all the model only display at this setting. And for the others, it will not display anything. And also only account only under the administrator account. And just follow this one to confirm it's okay. After that, it will just display the indoor units. And also in this case, just select the gateway. Here we make it as a controller, and then it will display all the detected indoor units. Also, you can input the model manually from here, or you can first download from here the Excel file and then edit the Excel file and upload into it. It's also available. Also for the OEM model, please ensure your model is completely the same or corresponding to our GRI model. And here also, if you find some indoor unit, it is not support for the current billing system, you can also manually input a similar capacity indoor unit to replace it just for temporary. And here is the information about the power meter. Also, you can find that first you need to select which controller, which is which gateway, and then here we offer you the different period. If you're in your local, there are according to different period, the electricity bill is different, so you can set it from here. And also you can find it this one, this percentage is you can hire this one to hire the power fee, and this is only for the account of the mini administrator, which means you can change this one to higher the electricity fee. And as this one is for the current transformer, the mutual inductance ratio only set from here, no need to set on the power meter. And also first to select which gateway, and then for multi gateways, please ensure you have changed all these one, otherwise the setting may be not correct. And after that, the system is setting is finished. So from here, you can just do the management or to control or to collect the data from the air conditioner. And here is first it will display this device information. At this one, just will display all the online indoor units directly from here. And just pay attention here. There is an unallocated controller. This is always existed. It cannot delete because this is only for stop the unedited controller or unedited units. And from here you can just select your appointed indoor unit to control it. Here is the control interface. And as for this number, it has its meaning. So in this case, you can find that this 5-1-15, that means the first 5, it is a gateway number. This 1 means the system number, and the 14 means the indoor unit number. And here is the centralized control. You can control the indoor units by dividing into different groups and divide it into different buildings and projects to control it. And here is the control interface. And this soft startup, that means it is for the power supply to delay start up the indoor units during the remote control process. The purpose is just to avoid the impact on the power grid. Smart preset, that means you can manage the air conditioner automatically. That means we support the daily or weekly or monthly or yearly timer to control the air conditioner. So you can check this one on your computer. You can try it. Smart scene, that means you can arrange your appointed indoor units, make them as a group, then activate this your preset scene. Then you can turn on your appointed indoor unit at your appointed operating mode. Your operating mode including what is the operating mode and the fan setting, temperature setting. That can be DIY. And also this picture you can also DIY in temperature field. That means with this one you can prevent the hot and cold change with a big temperature difference. So for example, you just install in your units, just follow these pictures, so you can arrange your setting temperature. For example, outdoor is now is 30 degrees, so this one it should not be too low. Maybe set it is 27 is okay, and this all can be DIY. Bill management, configure electricity fee. With this one you can adjust the electricity fee for different period, which means for example, if it at night time the price of the electricity is low, so you can make it to be different. And here you can find it. We offer you different time period to set different unit price, the electricity price. This is First is to select the different gateway and then select on the period from start and end time, and here is the price setting. Inquire electricity field. For this page is just for you to check the power consumption of LV in dot unit. So you can find that when you're on this page. First is from here for this in dot unit, when it turn on and when it turn off, and here is the total electricity period and how much you need to share. If it is standby, you can find it for this one. For the share, it is 0, and because you need to pay for run. And if you need a detail, so just press here to output. And for this one, is just to show how much you need to pay for this, and this explain how much you need to pay this one. And just pay attention that the operating data and the power data during one day only update to the PC memory at this time, unless you press the data synchronization, and also at least it operates 30 minutes. Next is Smart Assistant running time, to check the running time of different in dot units. So we will offer you this one to check it. Data backup and restore. You should back up the data. We recommend for every month to back up once, and for the maximum the gateway can store 4 to 5 months data. And how to backup is just from here. First to input the file name and then press this save. It's okay. When you need to restore it, just select the file. It's okay. Here is the backup process. And also from here you can check the in dot unit error. It will display here just for your reference. And this is the data synchronization. With this one, it can collect the data from the gateway to the PC. Otherwise, it will update only at this period. And first is to select which gateway, and then press this get the data. It's okay. And this is the time synchronization. User management. This function is only for the account administrator. With this one, you can create different accounts, and also it did different function for this account. You can find it. This is the function it did for different account. Whether you have the billing management function or not, or just to check or to control the in dot units. This is all the setting list function of this software, just for your reference. As for the language, currently we only support the Chinese, English, and Korean. For more detail, you can consult with your grid salesman. That's all for this part of the presentation. If you still have any other question, just feel free to contact me on my personal email address.